Hello world, here's Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant. Today I'm your Ethereum trading informant. Ethereum is going really nice to the upside, and we will check this why. Guys, this is the daily time frame. Every candle here is 1 day, and you can see here really nice stuff. First of all, we can see this one here. We have this pattern, a W pattern. And what will happen with a W pattern? We may see the next leg going up to the last all-time high price, and this would be this price about 4,300. Yes, it is possible to see the last all-time high again. It is possible to see 4,300 again because we are watching here this W pattern. This is the first thing, guys. The next thing I can show you, why is Ethereum for the moment going so really nice to the upside. We saw here, if you're zooming in a little bit more, not on the daily, but on the 4-hour, we can see it here better, and zooming up a little bit more. This pattern here, it is this pattern with a line from the downside to the upside, this one here. And we saw a line from this point here over this point. No, what's going on, guys? This point, let me check. Yes, this one here. This is a triangle, a rising triangle or something like this, and you can see we broke out to the upside. The target for breaking out to the upside, a technical target, is this one here, a line from the downside to the upside, something like this here, and we are here on this point with the breakout. So, and now you can see it here. We are now breaking out to the upside. It is still possible, guys, to retest the support line, but in my opinion, we saw here a really nice spike to the upside, a closing candle down again, and then the next one. So it's not necessary to retest the support line, but it is possible. And the price about this target is 3,800. 3,800 is the technical price for this breakout for Ethereum, guys. And the bigger target to the upside I showed you is 4,374. So what is the next thing we can watch? And this is also really interesting. Let's remove the drawings. Let's remove the ribbon band. Let's go back in the 1 day time frame. And for Ethereum, we saw here really interesting this one here. Guys, look at this. It's so interesting. We saw here a golden cross and a dash cross. First of all, the dash cross, the green line crossed the red line, and a few days after this, we saw the golden cross. And beginning with this golden cross, it was a really big pump to the upside. Now we have a lot of space between those lines, and this is really bullish. First a dash cross and then a golden cross. It was a little spike with the green line under the red line, but for the moment, again, we are back here in business. We are back with the green line over the red line. And this would mean, guys, pump. I think it's really possible to see 4,300, to see this last all-time high. It's really possible in my opinion. The next thing we can check is, let me remove this one. Let's check the indicator, the RSI on the daily relative strength index. And you can see here, this is the next thing. We saw here an overbought Ethereum. Then we saw a downgoing RSI. And this is the resistance line. And now we are over the resistance line. Now we are over the red line. And this is a really bullish thing also. So, okay, we have not so much space to the upside, but on a pump, it's not so important if we are extreme overbought. On a pump, we may go up and up more, guys. So this is really amazing for the moment for Ethereum, in my opinion. What is telling us the Fibonacci? We can make a Fibonacci line from the highest point here down to the lowest point here. And you can see we saw here a triple bottom. This is also really nice. And now we are again, and this is really amazing, guys. Look at this. We are again over this 0.618 Fibonacci. We are now over 3,300. We saw here a fight for a few days up and down between those Fibonacci lines. This is measuring so nice, this Fibonacci 0.6 and 0.5. This was an up and down between these lines. And now we saw here a confirmed breakout. We are now confirmed over this 0.618, and this is really bullish. What is the next target? And the next target is a really important Fibonacci line, the 0.786, a price about 3,800. This is the next target for Ethereum. If you're watching at the Fibonacci lines, 3,800. The next one is then our all-time high, 4,300. Don't forget the technical target for breaking out of this, let me tell it, rising wedge or triangle. It's not so important, but this is now the next thing we have to watch. And I think, guys, it's really possible to see here this nice upgoing Ethereum price. Ethereum also broke out against Bitcoin. This is also really interesting, but it's not so important to show it to you. The important stuff is now pump this party, pump Ethereum. Guys, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. This is a 5-minute tube update for Ethereum, and I think this is really important for you to watch. Guys, thank you very much. Have a nice time, and I wish you, it doesn't matter if you go long or if you go short here, I wish you make millions with your trade. Thank you very much. Bye-bye. And please, guys, visit, this is really important, my live stream. I'm streaming live Ethereum on YouTube and on Twitch. Please visit this. I will put the link in the description. Guys, bye-bye. Make it good. Yours Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant.